Hi, I'm Mark Curtis here at Olympic Park in London. On behalf of all of us from 12 News, thanks for helping us bring the glory of the 2012 Olympic Games home to the viewers. Because of your support, you've helped 12 News bring the best, most comprehensive Olympic coverage to people all over our state. I want you to know we truly appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you again in 2014 for the 2014 Games in Sochi, Russia.
Day 4 of Olympic competition is here, and going into that competition, the medal count is all tied up between Team USA and China. Both have won 17 medals, although China has more gold. Japan is the only other country with double-digit medal count, checking in at 11.
The countdown has begun. Only 4 more weeks until the glory of the Games. Be sure to watch all the athletes in action. The Flood Control District of Maricopa County is pleased to bring you 12 News' broadcast of the London Olympic Games. Today's 12 News medal count is brought to you locally in part by Flood Control District of Maricopa County, reminding you to live flood smart.